Welcome back, guys. In today's video I will be teaching you guys how to do a mid fade with a freestyle design. First, we are going to start with the guideline. We're going to make this guideline a rainbow shape. My client does want a drop in the back, therefore it is a mid drop fade. We are going to make a guideline from the bottom of the eyebrow, shaping it like a rainbow all throughout the back of the head. In the back, we are going to make sure to have that dropped round shape. Next, with our foil shaver, we are going to completely bald out everything underneath the guideline, making sure to flick out at the guideline to not make no harsh lines. Next, with our no guard lever open, we are going to make a fingers width guideline above our trimmer line. One key tip to make sure it's fully blended out is to never press too hard into the head and to always flick out after setting your guideline. Here, we're going to move our lever halfway up to go halfway up of our guideline. And right here, we are going to close our lever to fully erase that trimmer guideline. Using our clipper, we are going to use a corner of the blade to detail the fade. Right here, you will also be using your trimmer to detail the fade, while only using the corner of the blade to not set no super harsh lines. Next, with our 1.5 guard, we will be using it with the lever open to debulk a little bit of the hair, as well as using a little bit of clipper over comb at the top to fade the top long hair onto the side. One key tip is to not dig in super deep with the comb when clipper over combing. Third one guard, we are going to go up about half an inch from our clippered no guard in order to start fading. With our number one guard lever closed, we are going to tap at that line, trying to erase it. With a 0.5 guard lever closed, we are going to fully detail and blend in the fade. We'll be opening the lever, using our corner to get rid of those dark spots. Client does want a freestyle design, so let's get started. Same thing with the other side, we are going to be using a 1.5 guard to fully debulk. With our half guard, we're going to go up about a 1/4 inch to start fading. for the hairline, we are going to be using level 3 holding spray to make sure all the hairs are fully down. We're going to be using a hair dryer to make sure those hairs are not super stiff and to loosen them up. It is crucial to start your hairline in the middle in order to have a straight line and to not have it end up diagonal. Next, we brush off the hair and use our level 3 straight razor. And this is the final result. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video and stay tuned for the next.